Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to understand the basic foundation of SAP. So this is the right course, this is the right video if you want to understand what is SAP from the scratch. So SAP SC, here I have written SAP SC. SAP SC is a company name. SAP SC is a company name. Like we have Infosys, Apple, PayPal, or SCL. Similarly, SAP SC is a company name. It is a German-based company. It is a German-based company name. This company was started in the Germany. Who has started this company? There were five former IBM employees. Five former IBM. Former means five employees were working in the IBM. They left the IBM and they started this company in the year 1972 in the Germany. Okay. So this is the company name. SAP SC is a company name. Like any other company, either company will render the service or they'll make the product. Okay, or they'll make the product and sell. Similarly, SAP SC is also making enterprise software. They are what they are doing? They are making the enterprise software. Enterprise software means they are making the software for the big companies. They are making the software for the companies so that companies can use their software and do the accounting activities safely. Okay, so SAP SC is making enterprise softwares so that big companies can use their software and do the accounting activities, accounting entries easily, safely, conveniently. Okay. Now let us see some of the SAP SC products or softwares what they are offering. So they are offering this many products they are offering. SAP ERP, SAP CRM, SAP SRM, SAP HANA, SAP APP, SAP S4 HANA, SAP HANA, sorry, double happen. SAP PLM. So likewise, they're offering so many products. I have just listed down here few, but there are a lot of products, software products they are selling in the market. Okay, if you observe the naming convention of their product, see every product name is starting from the company name. See, every product name is starting from the company name. Every product, see here, every product name is starting from the company name. SAP ERP, SAP CRM, SAP SRM, every product. Let me give you one more example. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola company name is also Coca-Cola and its product name is also Coca-Cola. If you tell that I am working in Coca-Cola, it is assumed that you are talking about the company. If you tell I'm drinking the Coca-Cola, it means that you are talking about the product. Similarly, here when I'm telling I'm working in SAP, it is quite confusing. It is quite confusing. Either you are working in a SAP company or you are working for SAP, one of the product. We don't know. So here you need to be very careful. When you say SAP SC, it is a company name. When you say these are the products. Okay. So these are the products names are there. So you may be working either SAP PLM, you may be working either in SAP SCM, or you may be working in SAP IQ, maybe in SAP Ariba. You have to tell in this way. Now What we are going to learn? We are going to learn about SAP ERP. Our target is to learn SAP FICO. SAP FICO. So SAP FICO falls under SAP ERP. Okay, we are going to learn about the SAP ERP product. We are going to learn about the SAP ERP product, not about all other this product. Okay. Now let us understand what is called SAP and what is called ERP. SAP means systems, applications, products in data processing. ERP means enterprise resource planning. Any ERP you take, their major objective is to integrate all the departments on real-time basis. If you can integrate all the departments on real-time basis, then you can utilize the resources and maximize the profit. Let me give one example. Let's say you have sales department. If sales department gets any sales order from the customer, sales department have to check either inventory is available or not. If inventory is not available, if it is available, he can accept the order, he can sell to the customer. If inventory is not available, he has to connect to the material management department to procure the raw material and to produce. For production purpose, he has to connect to the production planning department. Sometimes sales department should also need to see the customer history, payment history. Then only he has to accept any kind of sales order from the customer. For that, he has to reach to the finance department. So all this information as sales department should be able to access on real-time basis. They should not go to one department by walking. They should not go to another department by walking to gather all this information. In front of his system, his laptop, he should be able to access in all the departments on real-time basis. So this kind of facility is given by any ERP, and SAP ERP is one of them. Okay, so this is the meaning of SAP ERP. It will help you to integrate all the departments on real-time basis. Now this SAP ERP is very big, very large products. It is very big ERP. Okay, what happens whenever the SAP plan to make SAP ERP, they have one vision in their mind. They wanted to build a ERP which can meet all kind of industry, all kind of company requirements. Okay, so they have sent their representative to small companies, they have sent to medium companies, they have sent to large companies, they have sent to public company, private company, service based company, product based company. They have sent to all these companies to collect the requirement. They have collected the requirement from all these companies, then only they have designed this SAP ERP. That is the reason SAP ERP is single point where all the company can use this SAP ERP to meet their accounting requirement. But since it is meeting all the industry, all the company requirement, this product is little lengthy. It is very bulky. It is become very big. It is very big product. So one person cannot become a SAP ERP consultant. He cannot know at all SAP ERP fully. So because of that, it got further bifurcated into multiple modules. Module means part by part they have bifurcated it. So whole module got bifurcated into functional module and technical module. Under functional module, you have finance, FI, controlling, CO, material management, SD, PS. So these are the module we have bifurcated. Okay. If you are from accounting background, go and learn finance module. If you are from costing background, go and learn controlling. Okay. Controlling can also be learned from finance background also. If you are from material management, learn purchasing activities. If you want to learn If you want to learn the selling activities, learn sales and distribution module. Likewise, they have given different modules. So these functional modules basically meant for non-technical background students. But the technical modules, let's say basis, above, security, these are the modules made for the technical students who are from technical background. Okay. SAP has also given some of the module which are industry specific. Okay. If you are in the retail module, if you are in the retail industry, let's say shopper staff, Reliance Mart. If you are in the retail, then you can use this SAP retail module. If you are in the utilities industry, okay, if your company is in industry utilities industry, and if you want to use the SAP ERP, then you can use this utilities. If you are into real estate industry, SAP has designed one separate real estate module you can use. You are in banking industry, use banking modules. Likewise, SAP has given many functional and technical modules. So in this course, you will be learning finance and controlling. These are the two modules you'll be learning. Okay. To become a FICO consultant, you must know the finance, you must know the controlling. We'll see in detail in the next video about the finance and controlling. What is mean finance module, what is mean by controlling module. Okay. So this is about the overview of SAP SC as a company and SAP ERP as a product. Now, when you're telling I am going to learn SAP, it means you are going to learn about a SAP ERP, not about SAP SC. You are going to learn about the SAP ERP. In that SAP ERP, you are going to learn these two functional modules, that is finance and controlling. If anybody is telling I am working in SAP, now you guess either he is talking about the product or he is talking about the company. Question to you, you comment what is your understanding. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next class. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.